So I have 12 years of experience. So as well as I have had experience in teaching also. So right now associated with one of the reputed business school, working as a faculty. So that's it. And initial I
How many
started.
days course is this?
The course is basically of 30 hours, I think. So everything will be actually will be discussed, no, from the technology, Zeblearn technologies. They will discuss regarding this. Okay,
Okay,
so
okay.
based on the module which you want to know. So Python having separate so hours, other modules are having separate hours. Okay.
Okay, okay, fine.
So okay. So hello. Uh, Hello, Mr. Singh. Okay. So I don't need to wait, no? Okay. So, so do you have Nikita? You are the only candidate over here. So let me give a brief introduction of Python. So what do you know about Python? Do as you have going through your course curriculum, you just have a little knowledge, no? So what do you mean by
No,
Python?
like now only they're starting. I mean, the
Okay.
second semester did not start. It's gonna start in 5 days. So I wanted to learn before that only. Like not before that, I wanted to be on update.
Okay. 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 Understood. Okay. So let me. So is my screen visible?
Oh yes, so it's visible.
Okay. So first I want to tell you. So Python. So why you are learning Python? So Python, you see, Python we are using for data analysis. Basically, we are using Python for many purposes, for scientific math, scientific processing, which you are using in the data science, because data science is a vast field where you involve artificial intelligence, okay, deep learning concepts. So what are the applications we are doing? Basically, machine learning, whatever the programs we are doing. So basically, all are based on Python. Okay. So Python, first of all, you have to know the basics of Python. So basically, this is a course which we are going to introduce for Python, and Python is basically we can use for web development also. So we can go for data analysis as well as for web development. Okay, there are two parts. So data analysis means we are dealing with data. So basically, which we are using for machine learning, whatever deep learning. Okay, so why are you using Python? Why the software developers need Python basically? Because Python is more robust. Okay. So can you mute your video, Nikita, please?
I should unmute my video.
Okay. If you have any question, you can let me know. Okay. So see,
Should I on my video?
no, video, no. I am telling you, please off your audio actually. Mute. You can
Okay.
mute your audio. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Don't need to open your video actually. So see, Python is an object-oriented and procedure-oriented language. Okay, and it is free, open source. So what do you mean by open source? This software, the Python software, is easily available in the internet. Okay, you don't need to have any license. It can be used for any commercial purpose. So and Python has many libraries which you can use for your statistical programming, scientific applications, which you can use for your machine learning, what are the data science applications you have. Okay, so for various of implementation. So here you can see the diagram. Say it's the meantime the procedure oriented language, and it's all the high level language. Procedure means, what do you mean a procedure language means? Procedure means something you're following some procedure. Okay, maybe the functions, methods, you have some syntax. Okay, data types, so all these structures, because a programming comes with a data types, operators you have, all the, because when you need to construct a program, all these things you have to keep in mind, the functions, modules, all those things. Okay, so that's why it's called procedure oriented language, and you can say it is very easy to learn also. So and it's object oriented and can say high level language, not a low level language. Okay, now so it is a high level in general. Yes, tell me, you have any question?
No, nothing.
Hello.
Yeah, and no questions.
Okay. Okay, you can mute your audio, please. Yeah. Now, see, Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language, as well as object-oriented programming language, and it was first developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. So if you say, it has, the name has been inspired from the, we can say, comedy series called Monty Python. Okay, and you can say it is a dynamic as well as interpreted byte compiled programming language, means interpreted language. So what can you say?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain any program or example? I don't want introduction right now. Like when we start the course, we'll go with the introduction and all.
Okay, what you're telling, tell me.
Can you explain some program and how to use Python and all? Like where to use coding, like coding in Python?
See, Python you are using in data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, as well as web development, software development. Okay, and so basically you can see it is used in various domain. Okay, basically it can be used for web development, software development, as well as game development, as well as for artificial intelligence and machine learning and data analytics. Okay, and here are the real world examples. Whatever I can say, NASA. You know, have you heard about NASA? National Analytics and Space Agency. So,
Yeah.
yeah, one of the NASA shuttle support contractors, that is United Space Alliance, they have developed a workflow automation system. So this system has been developed based on Python programming, which where the Python is able to handle the complexity of the programs. Okay, for the workflow automation system. So NASA has also published a website. If you go to this website, you can see there are many open source projects which you can use Python. Okay, and the next we have Netflix. What do you have? Netflix you also use Python. So Netflix have various
Sir,
projects. Yes, tell me.
I wanted to know about program. Like, can you explain some program in Python?
You want to know first you want to go to the programs.
Yeah. Syntax.
Okay, syntax. Okay, so this is the introductory class, and so that's why because you are going to the program actually. So anyway, so let me give me the, see, do you know how to install Python?
No, sir, I don't know.
So see, let me explain this. Here you see, if you go to the, yes, say, go to the Google and say Python download. Okay, so let me share my screen 1 second. Let me, okay, this is actually 1 second.
Hello. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah. So today, like for demo, can you explain, like with simple programming programs and logic? How do we use, like, let's say sample program like finding largest number or middlest number in the numbers
Okay.
in the array of numbers, or some, let's say some string examples, swapping or
See, this is basically you are telling from the beginning. That means you know Python. Means you know the syntax actually.
no. I know Python, but my I'm looking for my daughter. So she doesn't know, but she will know like when we start the classes. Let her go with the introduction. But for now, we wanted to know like we uh,
Okay.
what is it?
So okay.
Yeah, want to go with the programs like.
Okay. I give you some simple programs. Here you see, this is a Python
Mm.
software you have. Okay. And here is the idle. Okay. 3.9.
Mm.
The latest version is 3.9, 64-bit. Okay. Let me open it. Is it visible to you?
Yes, yes, it's.
Okay. Here you see, it's like a, you can see this is an idle shell. Okay. The version is 3.9.5. Okay. You can create a new file. So for example, you say, 4 plus 5. What will give you the result? Tell me. It will give you the
9.
result 9. Okay. Isn't it? So it is giving in the output over here. Okay. Suppose I am taking print. Hello.
Hello, yes, yes, yeah, right.
This is in the way we are doing. Okay. So as this is an introductory class, so I am not going to the programming first, because as I know, actually I just want to give you an overview why they are using Python with real world examples. as you are more interested right now from the beginning to code actually, but it will be done no as the class goes actually, no issue. Now say you want to now one you think here you see Python follows some indentation. Let me show you. Here you see, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Python, what is the difference between Python and other programming languages? So basically, you can see Python does not use curly brace, okay, and Python does not have declarative variables, okay. You don't need to mention the data type. Like in normal programming language, what do you do? In normally programming language, we declare int I, no? In any C programming
Yes.
language, int I, float A, B, C. But in Python, it is not dynamically interpreted programming language. It is determined at the execution of the code. Means we don't need to type the data type actually. Okay. For example, you see x equal to 1. Did you mention any data type? No, isn't it? Now here you see, here this is a Python user indentation for block. But if you do in normal programming language, you can see you have to maintain a bracket, no curly brace, any bracket, like in Java or in any. Do you know any other programming language?
See, little bit I know.
Okay. So and see what you have done. You have done
That
bracket.
for
You have used bracket. You have used
semicolon.
you have used bracket. Bracket. You have used bracket curly brace for the functions if statement, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, but here what you are doing, we are not using bracket actually. So this is using indentation. Can you see this? Colon. That means when you put indentation over here, it using the standard indentation, Python code give you 4 space. Can you see the 4 space? According this is within the scope. So it is not following any curly brace. For the block of code, it is not putting any bracket actually. Okay. Now let me execute this program. Can you see here? Say I am saying x equal to 1. Okay. Okay. Now if say if x equal to 1, if x equal to 1, then tell me, here I'm putting a colon. You can see that the space go over here. Can you see? It is a 4 space. Can you see? This is a
Yes,
4 space actually. Yeah. One tab. So this is
one
automatically
time.
determined by the Python. So it is maintaining a bracket. Normally in C, what you do? If x equal to 1, you put a curly brace, no? But here you see, I don't need to put any bracket. So now I can say if
This
x
is
equal to
indentation, right?
indentation, yes. Say if print hello. This is a string. Okay. Now you can see this is a hello. This is a string. So I'm putting within the print function. So print, is also a function, and it is a function is having a bracket. Okay. So opening and closing bracket. So you are doing this print in the Python 3 version, 3 and above. But normally initially we have Python 2 version. In that case, we don't use print as a function. It is separate. But now the 3 is having newest features and the syntax is much more improved. Okay. Now if you put an enter over here, you can see I have to press 2 times enter, isn't it? So you can see hello. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now this you can do in a script file. If you open a new file, this is also a file. Can you see? So you can do over here also x equal to 1. Okay. Say I'm doing normally here. Okay. If x equal to, say if x equal to 1. So because this condition is true, so x equal to 1. Now I don't need to type the declaration integer x equal to 1 like this in C++. Now put an indentation, then press enter. Can you see the space goes over here automatically?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, then the print hello. Okay. Now print say because it is true, that's why print hello. Okay. Now press enter. Okay. Now you can basically stop this program. Save it. Say save. I'm saving this program. Say I'm saving it in the normal. Say here I'm doing say 1.py. Okay. Because Python is automatically, you may not, or you can take but automatically when you say Python files, it will having the extension .py version. Okay. Now let me now it is 1.py. Can you see this version 1.py? And let me run this. So as you see, Python is very much fast. It is dynamically interpreted programming language. There is no compilation is done like normal C. You have to, but basically you run the module. When you run the module, can you see this hello world is coming in the console? This is a command line. You can directly put over the programs over here. But normally what you do, if you do big programs, you create a new file like this, you save it and run it. Isn't it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me say you want to find the largest among three numbers, no? So let me say, let me say x equal to 3, okay? Y equal to 5, z equal to 7, okay? Now, if x is greater than y, and is actually written in y, x is greater than z, say, print say x, okay? I'm printing x, okay? Else elif you can say, or elf, go to the backs portion, else if, okay, or elif, it will be elif actually. Can you see this keyword, this green keyword? These are all keywords, no, inbuilt keywords. If statements, keywords, in these colors change actually, okay? Now the print, when you have the function, the blue color is there. When you have the variable, the black color is there. Now elif say if y is greater than x, let me check the syntax actually, and y is greater than z, isn't it? Then what happened? Tell me. Now the scope comes over here, print y, okay?
Right.
And there should not be any semicolon, okay? No, Python does not end with semicolon in any statement, okay?
After print statement.
No, not after any print. It can be any other statement, can be no. Any hexagon, say.
Okay, only keyword should have semicolon in the end, right?
Yes. Now, otherwise, what I will do? Else, okay? Else, what I will do? Tell me. Print
That
else print.
Sir, you missed the semicolon now.
Just tell me.
You missed the semicolon after else.
Semicolon where?
Sorry, you missed the colon after else.
No, there should not be any colon. Why should be colon? I am declaring a variable over here. Let me see. Telling there should be semicolon. This
Yeah,
one.
indentation should be there, right?
Yeah, you see. Now let me run it. Let me save this first. If there is any issue coming, then it will be throw an error. Y is greater than z. Okay. Invalid syntax. I think what happened actually, Python does not take AND operator. Let me see. It should be AND. Okay. Actually, what I am doing R and Python at the same time. There is some confusion with the syntax actually. Now it will come actually. Can you see this keyword is coming? Yeah. Now let's see. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yeah, we got the output 7. Z.
So why you got the output 7? Tell me.
X was smaller than y.
Yes.
But we gave the condition x should be greater than y and x should be greater. X is smaller than everything. And
Yes,
y,
because
we gave the condition again as y should be greater than x.
because this condition and this condition is false. So automatically will go to the else part, isn't it?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So anything to ask or like uh, so so you have actually you have asked for this, that I have done actually. Anything to more? So as we will do the class from the beginning, then we can learn more about this. Anyway. Hmm?
Like when we start the class from beginning, we'll go from introduction.
Yes. So
So,
which is the yeah, tell
uh,
me.
am I the only student or anyone is joining?
That I actually don't know. The company, the you can contact the training institute. Some more student will join. So I think so. Yes. Yeah, Mr. Singh,
So 1 minute. Like my mom wants to ask some question. It seems.
please tell me.
Okay, sir.
Yes, tell me. Do you want to ask anything? Sorry.
Nothing, sir. It's fine.
Okay. Hello, Wasim, Mr. And Mr. Singh. Hello. Are you there? So the student is asking. She is the only candidate. Some other is also joining actually.
Like, is this separate classes or many of them will be joining? I'll let you know soon. Okay, so fine.
Okay. So do you want to continue right now or we can stop? Like Nikita.
It's fine, sir. We'll wind up.
Okay. As you have told that regarding the introduction, you don't need the introduction of the programs. That's why.
Yeah, like when we start the course, we will start
Mhm.
with the
Yeah, yeah,
introduction.
yeah, yeah. That's it. Mr. Yours, Mr. Singh or Mohit Verma? Okay, okay. I'm a little bit confused actually. Anyway, she does not want to get more right now. Actually, she is much more. She is much more interested in the programming part initially. So that's the thing.
No, sir. Nothing. Can you repeat? Yeah, the session was good. No, no, no. Like I was the one who was listening to classes. My mom, in between, she asked few questions. That's it. I'm her daughter speaking.
Yeah, yeah. Some the both person are actually here. Actually, someone I yeah actually yeah.
Thank you, sir. I will contact you. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.